Good morning, grade 11. How are you today? Hope you are fine. Okay, welcome at your school, Osama International School. Today we'll complete our lesson about organic chemistry. Okay, let me share the presentation with you. Okay, 1 second. Okay. By the end of this lesson today, you will be able to recognize that alkanes contain only single bonds. Let's some properties of alkanes. Recognize that IUPAC system of nomenclature. Okay, organic chemistry. In the last session, we classified the hydrocarbon into aliphatic hydrocarbon and aromatic hydrocarbon. And we said that hydrocarbons means compound containing hydrogen, and carbon. Hydrogen and carbon, okay? And today we will classify the aliphatic hydrocarbon into alkanes, alkenes, alkynes. Alkanes with A, alkenes with E, alkynes with Y, okay? The first one, what do I mean of alkanes, okay? Hydrocarbon, aliphatic hydrocarbon, in which all of the bonds in this compound are single bonds. All the bonds between carbons are single bonds. Saturated hydrocarbon, okay? Alkenes, aliphatic hydrocarbons, okay, that contain carbon-carbon double bond. We will find two carbon, between them double bond, unsaturated hydrocarbon. Alkynes, aliphatic hydrocarbons that contain carbon-carbon triple bond. Okay. Hydrocarbons. The most common aromatic hydrocarbon are those that contain a benzene ring. Any compound containing benzene ring on this shape, okay, this is called an aromatic hydrocarbon, okay. Benzene ring, the 6 cycle, okay, containing 3 double bonds inside. We will take it later, okay. Alkyl group. Before we go to alkanes, we have to know what the meaning of alkyl group. What the meaning of alkyl group? Alkyl group contain one less hydrogen than the corresponding alkanes. For example, we have an alkane CH4, okay? 1 carbon and 4 hydrogen. When I remove 1 hydrogen, it will be CH3, okay? This is called alkyl group, okay? The general formula for the alkyl group will be represented by the letter R, okay? Some examples. Methane, CH4, okay? When we remove 1 hydrogen atom, it will be methyl group, YL. Instead of N, we will add a YL, okay? This is called methyl group, CH3, when we remove 1 hydrogen atom. Another example, ethane, C2H6. When we remove 1 hydrogen atom, it transfers to be C2H5. This is called, instead of ethane, it will be ethyl group. Okay, alkanes. Alkanes, as we said, hydrocarbon that contain only single bonds, okay? And this is saturated hydrocarbons, okay? The general formula for the alkane, CnH2n plus 2, okay? N represents the number of carbon, okay? For example, if we have 2 carbon, so C2H, 2N, 2 by 2, 4 plus 2, 6. So it will be C2H6, okay? And so on. You have to change numbers of the carbon as you want, okay? Some physical properties, just read it, okay? Of alkanes. No color and odor. Lower alkane are gases, okay? Middle alkane liquid. Higher alkane are solids, okay? Higher boiling point, so higher molecular weight. Branch chain decrease the surface area, okay? Long chains will be higher surface area. Even number of carbon, it will be higher melting point. We have odd number of carbon, it will be lower melting point. Higher density, so higher molecular weight. Non-polar means soluble in organic solvent, okay? Higher molecular weight, decreased solubility. Okay, we have here number of atoms. If we have 1 carbon, it will be called methane. 2 carbon is called ethane. You have to save this carefully, okay? Methane, ethane, propane, butane, pentane, hexane, heptane, octane, nonane, decane, okay? This is the name of the alkane according to the number of carbon atoms, okay? Molecular formula, as you have to apply the rule CnH2n. Let's try, for example, 5. C5H 2 by 5, 10 plus 2, 12. Okay, so if you know, just know the number of the carbon, you will be able to know the number of hydrogen atoms. Okay, name of the alkyl group, as we said before, you have to remove the suffix "ane" to be YL. Okay, methane, methyl, ethane, ethyl, propane, propyl, butane, butyl. And if you notice, CH4 it will be CH3 because we removed 1 hydrogen atom. Okay, C6 is C2H6, it will be C2H5. Okay, the carbon as it. Okay, we just changed or removed 1 hydrogen atom. Okay, we have 8 hydrogen here, it will be 7. 10 hydrogen, it will be 9. 12, 10, 11, okay, and so on. Okay, this is called alkyl group. It will be the side, if we have, for example, any compound, the side chain, it will be, take one of these names, okay, alkyl group. Okay, IUPAC system of nomenclature, okay? Listen carefully, okay? Some rules important to know how to name any compound. Okay, number 1, identify the longest chain pair. When we will call this chain parent chain, okay? Number from the end closest to the first branch. Look which the side chain near which end, left to right or right to left, and we'll start to count from the closest to the first branch, okay? Name the gas group attached to the chain using carbon number as the locator, okay? Name the group attached to the chain. For example, if we have methyl, CH3, this is the side chain, okay? We'll start attached to the number, for example, carbon number 2, okay? So we'll see, we will say 2 methyl and complete the name, okay? According to the number of the carbon. Alphabetize the substituent, okay? For example, we have methyl and ethyl. Which letter comes first? E or M, okay? So, E. We'll write ethyl before whatever it has a carbon 5, مثلا 5 ethyl, 2 methyl. Don't care about the number, just alphabetize the substituent, okay? Use di-tri, okay? For example, if we have 2 methyl groups, we'll say dimethyl. We have 3 methyl group, for example, trimethyl, okay? Combine number and name of substituent with the parent name, okay? For example, we have here, look at this compound. We will search about the parent chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the longest chain, okay? Even if you count 1 from the left, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay? Why we count from the right, not from left? Because, excellent, CH3, the first side chain, nearest to this end, okay? So we have to count from right, okay? If we count from here, it will be number 4, okay? If we count from the right, it will be number 2. So we have to count the carbon from right to left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, how we can name this compound? At carbon number 2, okay, we have which alkyl group? Methyl. So 2 methyl 2 methyl, and to complete the name we have 5, so it will be penta. All bonds are single bonds, so it will be pentane, okay? 2 methyl pentane, okay? 2 slash methyl pentane, okay? Another example. The number of the carbon in the longest chain determines the base name, okay? As we said, let's count here. 1, 2, count the liner chain, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7. And here 1, if we count the inside the red line, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, we can count the liner or which inside the red lines. Okay, which one will choose? Why he choose the inside the rectangle? Okay, why? Okay, if you have the same number of the carbon atom, okay, you will find which one has more side chains. Which one has more side chains? For example, the liner 1. Look at the liner 1, okay? We have 1. This is carbon 1, 2, 3, 4, for example. Carbon number 4 has a side chain, and carbon number 5 has side chains, okay? 4 or 5. Only carbon 4 has side chain, and 5 has side chain, okay? But look, let's which inside the rectangle, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And carbon number 3 has side chain. Number 4 has side chain. Number 5 has side chain, okay? So inside the rectangle, it has more side chains than liner 1. So we'll choose this one. This will be the parent chain, okay? We can solve this. Find the longest continuous carbon chain, okay? You count 1, 2, 3, 4. It just will be 4. If we choose a liner 1, okay? But if we count like he did, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay? 5 carbons, so it will be the parent chain, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Who can name this compound? Okay. We have at carbon number 3, excellent, methyl group. So 3 methyl. How many carbons? 5. 3 methyl pentane. Great. 3 methyl pentane. Okay, we can solve this. You must choose the longest continuous carbon chain. Okay. On the previous example, grade 11, why we count from here? Okay, why we count from here? And we choose this chain. Okay. It will be the same. Because carbon number 3, we can count from here or here. The same carbon 3 has the side chain, okay? Why? You must choose the longest continuous carbon chain, okay? We'll choose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The liner 1, it will be 6 carbon. But if we count 1 like he did, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, it will be the longest side chain, okay? So we will choose this one. Who can name this? Okay. Excellent. 4, carbon number 4. Okay, we have, okay, you can collect them together, okay? C2H5, C2H5, okay? C2H5, it means ethyl group. You have to save the table, okay? C2H5. At carbon number 4, 4 ethyl 7. I want to hear the name of the 7 carbon atoms. Hey, excellent, heptane, okay? So, 4 ethyl heptane. Excellent, because all of them single bonds, so it will be heptane. Great. Another example, number from the end nearest the substitute, the first substitute. Okay. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the parent chain until 7. Okay, this is the longest one. If you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, no, it will be short. Okay, this is the longer one. Okay, 7. We count from left to right or right to left. Okay, if we count from left to right, it will be the first side chain. 1, 2, 3, 4 at carbon number 4. But if we count from the right, 1, 2, 3, it will be carbon number 3, first side chain. So we will count from right to left. You can't count from the left to right, okay? At carbon number 3, 3 methyl, 4 ethyl, but you have to say 4 ethyl because letter E before letter M. So 4 ethyl, 3 methyl heptane. Okay? 4 ethyl, 3 methyl heptane. Don't care about the number, okay? This is just number of the carbon. You have to care about alphabet, okay? You have to alphabetize the side chains, okay? So we start with ethyl because let's start with the letter E, and then methyl because started the letter M, okay? Okay, use dye with the two substituents, okay? When 1, 2, 3, 4. In this case, you have to choose right to left or left to right, okay? They are the same. From right to left, the first side chain with carbon number 2. From left to right, also carbon number 2, the first side chain, okay? So here we'll say 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, comma 3, okay? It means we see the same alkyl group in the two carbon, okay? So say the numbers after together, okay? 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, di, because we have two groups of methyl, dimethyl butane. 1, 2, 3, 4 will be butane, okay? Okay, must get a number. Okay, for example, at carbon number 3, we have 2 methyl groups. Okay, maybe you will ask me, we'll write 3 methyl hexane. This is wrong, okay? Why? You have to say, to know, you have a 2 side chain, okay? So you have to see, you have to say 3, 3, 3, 3 dimethyl, 3, 3 dimethyl hexane, okay? 3, 3 means at carbon number 3, we have 2 chain, okay? 2 side chain. Di means 2 methyl, 2 methyl. At carbon number 3, 2 methyl. If one of them at carbon number 4, you will see, say 3, 4, okay? But if the same carbon atom, it will say 3, 3, okay? Number from end which has the first difference, okay? For example, 1, 2, 3, okay? The first side chain at carbon number 3, and here 1, 2, 3, okay? Why we count from left to right, not from right to left? Why? Okay, because at carbon number 4, we have a side chain, okay? So you will, this end is heavier than this end. You have to count from this end, okay? Number from the end which has the first difference, okay? After 3, we have a difference here at 4. So we'll start from here. Who can name this compound? Excellent. You notice we have methyl, methyl, methyl. So you have used tri, okay? 3, 4, 8, tri, methyl, decane. Excellent. Okay. Okay. Next example. A more highly substituted carbon take new sequence. Okay. For example, 1, 2, and here 1, 2. At carbon number 2 has a side chain. At carbon number 2 here has a side chain. Okay. Why we count from left, right, not from the left? Why? Okay, because if we count from the right, carbon number 2 here has 2 side chain, 2, more dense, okay? But carbon number 2 here, it has only 1 side chain. So we will count from the right to left, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 2, because we have 2 methyl group. 2, 2, 4, trimethyl pentane, because we have 5 carbon. Okay? 2, 2, 4, trimethyl pentane. Excellent. Which end do we number from? Okay, we have here carbon number 3, ethyl. And if we count from the left to right, we have methyl. That's carbon number 3 also. We counted from the right. Why? Because side chain at carbon number 3 high dense than side chain if we count from the left, carbon number 3. Okay? Ethyl group more dense, has 2 carbon than methyl group. Okay? So we will count from the right to left. Okay, 3. We'll start with the 6 methyl or 3 ethyl. Letter E first. Excellent. 3 ethyl, 6 methyl octane. 8 will be octane. Okay? 3 ethyl, 6 methyl octane. Great. Okay, next session, inshallah, we will start with alkenes. Okay? With alkenes, which has double bond. Okay, your homework on your book page 679 and 680, question number 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, see you next session, inshallah. Before I leave, watch this video.